Mastering collocations. Avoiding incorrect adjective use. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve deep into an essential aspect of English language learning, collocations, with a specific focus on adjective misuse. Now, adjectives give flavor and context to our sentences, but it's crucial we use them correctly to ensure our meaning comes across as intended. So, let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what collocations are. Simply put, they're groups of words that frequently go together. Think of combinations like brush your teeth or take a shower. The same principle applies when using adjectives. Some adjectives naturally pair with certain nouns. For example, we say deep sleep, not heavy sleep, or high speed, not fast speed. These are correct collocations. Now, onto the main subject, misuse of adjectives in collocations. The most common mistake we make is using an incorrect adjective in a collocation. A classic example is the misuse of the adjectives big and large. We say a big problem, but large amounts, not a large problem, or big amounts. Another frequent error is using the adjective interesting for people. It's more common to say someone is interested in something rather than interesting in something. So, you'd say, I am interested in soccer, not, I am interesting in soccer. Now that we know the common mistakes, let's look at some tips to avoid incorrect adjective use. 1. Practice and exposure. The more you read, listen, and communicate in English, the more you'll become familiar with correct collocations. 2. Use collocation dictionaries. These dictionaries provide common combinations of words, which can be really helpful for learners. 3. Learn in context. Rather than memorizing individual words, try to learn phrases or sentences. This way, you'll see how words naturally group together. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes when learning. They're a crucial part of the process. So, don't shy away from practicing. And that wraps up our discussion on adjective misuse in collocations. With practice and the right tools, you can master correct adjective use, making your English more fluent and natural. Remember, English is an adventure, full of challenges and triumphs. So, keep learning, keep improving, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Until next time, happy learning!